Don't miss guest star Cedric the Entertainer in the next all-new Hot in Cleveland.
Praise God.
And join him in a live Hot
The National Weather Service in Indianapolis has issued a tornado warning for northeastern Daviess County, southeastern Greene County, Lawrence County, Martin County, southern Monroe County, until 4:15 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. At 3:35 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, a confirmed large and extremely dangerous tornado was located 9 miles northwest of Shoals and moving northeast at 70 miles per hour. This is a particularly dangerous situation. Expected hazards include a damaging tornado. Emergency management have confirmed the tornado. The following impacts are expected. You are in a life-threatening situation. Mobile homes will be destroyed. Considerable damage to homes, businesses, and vehicles is likely, and complete destruction is possible. Flying debris will be deadly to people and animals. Expect trees to be uprooted or snapped. Locations impacted include Bedford, Indian Springs, Huron, Owensburg, Williams, Silverville, Springville, Mitchell, Avoca, Olytic, Spring Mill State Park, Tunnelton, Harrodsburg, Fairfax State Recreation Area, Smithville, Bartlettsville, Heltonville, Monroe Reservoir, and Woodview Hills. To repeat, a large, extremely dangerous and potentially deadly tornado is on the ground. To protect your life, take cover now. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If in a mobile home, a vehicle, or outdoors, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.